Diyos marhay na aldaw sa Satuya Gabos. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako po si Ninya Iyubyon kasama ang aking mga kaklase na kumukuha ng kursong Criminology sa programang Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency Accreditation ng Bicol College. Tamang kaalaman at pagsasanay. Ito ang kailangan upang masugpo at maiwasan ang anumang sakuna sa ating kapaligiran katulad na lamang ng sunog. Tara! Samahan niyo kung alamin at matuto sa isinagawang seminar training workshop on fire prevention and fire drill ng Eteeap students ng Bicol College para sa mga miyembro ng Barangay Kilikao Council ng Daragalbay at mga estudyante ng Bicol College. Noong May 18, 2022, isinagawa ang Fire Prevention and Fire Drill Seminar Training Workshop na may temang A Nation Empowered with Fire Safety Awareness, Build a Society with Progress. Pinaunlakan ni FO3 Christine Madridano ng Daraga Fire Station ang pagbibigay ng diin ng mga tungkulin at responsibilidad ng Community Fire Auxiliary Group o CFAG sa isang barangay. Nagbigay kaalaman din si Senior Fire Officer 2 Leobet de Lumen ukol sa tamang pagsasanay at angkop na solusyon sa iba't ibang sanhi ng sunog sa ating bahay. At upang masanay at maging pamilyar ang ating mga kalahok, nagsagawa ng Fire Olympics kung saan maipapamalas ang bilis at koordinasyon sa tamang post throwing, bucket brigade, victim carry, and fire extinguishment.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate the head, Dean Mary Jane Adra, and of course the Community Outreach Coordinator, Madam Jinky Jocaresa, and of course the Criminology students for coming up with this laudable outreach project. It's very commendable because indeed the thrust of the Bicol College is not only on research and instruction, but also on community extension projects.
My learning about the past activities that the Group 1 had been through is that we keep always on coordinating with the team. A teamwork should be always made so that the group will be able to come up with very good and remarkable activities that we are aiming for.
Disaster preparedness is one of the important elements in disaster risk reduction, and it encompasses community awareness, readiness to render appropriate responses, and quick recovery. Fire disasters are accompanied with a devastating impact affecting both lives and properties. The conduct of fire drills can also equip people with the knowledge on what to do during disasters. Thus, it measures the effectiveness of the various parts of the community plan. In the process, identify problems that may be encountered and the possible steps to resolve them, and to improve parts of the community plan to make it effective by adjusting it to actual conditions and the capacity of the community.
Maray na aldaw sindo mga tugang. Ang napaghurup-hurupan ko sa patuyang aktibidad, napaghurup-hurupan ko na ang partisipasyon kang kada saro o po, kooperasyon kang kada saro, mahalagang elemento sa pag-iribana. Nag-reflect duman sa aktibidad na kung di ka mag-participate, kung mag-participar, di maging successful ang sarong event. Team stands for together, everyone achieves more. Yun po ang term na nag-ano sa Muya. Pipapractice mi po dito sa Legazpi City Police Station. As in, per mi pipapractice sa buhay mi, lalong-lalo na dito sa pag-eskwela sa Eteeap. Diyos mabalos po. Salamat.
During the activity, I've learned about CFAG or the Community Fire Auxiliary Group. In this seminar and training workshop on fire prevention and fire drill, as part of our outreach program as Eteeap student in Bicol College, I had this realization that even in barangays, we can help in preventing fire through CFAG or Community Fire Auxiliary Group. This CFAG assists PFP in preventing fire in the community. Also, I've learned that volunteerism has a big impact in the society. That's why I feel blessed, honored, and privileged to be part of this outreach program for Barangay Kilikao, Daraga, Albay.
Yung learning ko po sa seminar and training and workshop on fire prevention and fire drill ay mas lumawak palalo yung aming mga nalalaman tungkol sa iba't ibang paraan para maiwasan ang pagkakaroon ng sunog. Kailangan talaga po natin ng mga ganitong seminar at training para maging handa po tayo lagi sa mga oras ng sakuna o sunog. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa aking mga kagrupo dahil sa pagtutulungan po natin ay daos po natin ng maayos at matiwasay ang ating seminar. Kaya
Diyos maray na aldo po. Ako po si Ariel Pisimo. Ang sakuya pong masasabi manungod sa samuyang kinunduser na seminar, iyo po ang nagkaigwa ko ning sufficienting karaman. Siring man po duman sa mga estudyante, nagkaigwa po sindaning eksperyensya, siring man na kadikit na karaman manungod po sa satuyang fire prevention. Ang sakuya pong nanudan, iyo po ang nagkaigwa ko ning dakulaon na eksperyensya ning about sa aning pagka-conducer kang training na ini. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Group 1, siring man po sa Fire Department na nag-conducer po kayo ng training. Siring man po kay Ma'am Jinky na nag-lead po kang samuyang seminar. Siya po ang outreach coordinator. Ma'am, maraming salamat. Siring man duman po sa mga estudyante na nagpartisipar, dakula pong pasalamat ni sa sendo. Iyo po sana ang sakuyang masabi. Diyos mabalos po.
Good morning, classmates. The things I learned from basic firefighting seminar conducted by Bureau of Fire Protection, Barangay Station, through the initiative of Group 1 Eteeap, is to ensure that everyone knows how to act safely reducing the risk of injury or loss of life in event of a blaze. As a member of a community, it is our own responsibility to be aware and knowing the basic firefighting techniques, recognizing the basic properties of fire to prevent the fire from going larger. Remember, saving lives and properties is our primordial concern as a member of the community.
Awareness precedes change, that is taken from Robin Sharma. Filipinos are known for being resilient in whatever disaster or calamities that we may face or endure. A hopeful smile from every family is evident. And as the cliche goes, prevention is better than cure. Being fully aware and prepared for whatever catastrophe or tragedy that may arise, the gained knowledge and skill will not diminish, but instead replicate. On the other hand, the leadership, teamwork, and cooperation for the shared responsibilities of every member is already etched on our memories. The laughters and selfish contributions lead to the success of the event. To Miss Jinky Jocoresa, our coordinator, our sincerest appreciation for bringing the best in us. To the Barangay Council of Barangay Kilikao, the administrators of Bicol College, along with the faculty from College of Criminal Justice Education, and most especially to the students, our heartfelt gratitude. Diyos marahay po na aldaw sa Satuya Gabos.
My learnings about the activities that fire safety training can teach us and the participants on how to recognize fire hazard, conduct fire safety risk assessment, prevent workplace fire and respond if a fire occurs. Everyone is responsible for preventing fire in the community. It is possible to reduce the threat of fire to people and property by teaching to work together to prevent fire with comprehensive fire safety training.